Hey guys, I have a special package today. I have been waiting for this for a while to buy it. I finally got it, guys, and you know what happened? I ended up never unboxing it. Today is day 4 of me having this, and you've obviously read the title. Okay, that's the bill. I got this on Flipkart from my own money. Nobody sponsors me. Not yet anyway. Oh my god, so many boxes. Okay, so this is the kind of box and covering it comes with. There's a way to open this apparently. I've even forgotten what color I got. I think I got the white Homepod Mini. I could be wrong. Either way, oh no, wait. I forgot which color I got. This is apparently the black one. Alright, so I'm just going to unbox this. I don't have a knife or anything like that, but let me show you how it looks first, just the box. Okay, so that's the HomePod Mini, very neat little box, and let's see what it says right here. So as you can see, that's the HomePod Mini. So I have heard this. Of course, I once went into an Apple store and I heard this. I also heard it with a friend of mine has it, so I heard it there also. Now the reason I got the black one is because I have the Bose portable home speaker in white. Okay, this is how the black looks. I have seen it before, but for your eyes it's very lightweight and very easy. You can plug this in anywhere. And what a surprise, I didn't notice this, but it has a USB charger. So if you have a USB lying around somewhere in your home, and the good news is I have a new one of these USB chargers from Apple. These are very handy if you have the iPhone. Wow, I'm very happy. It's a 20-watt charger. These retail for I don't know how much, but I'm glad. I'm not going to use the manual or anything. I'm just going to try and see how easy it is to set this up. I'm going to just take this this tape off. Okay, this is something which was covering the tape, and I like the cables. They are braided cables. I think that's what you call these, and very good looking, really, I must say. So that's one thing I like about Apple. The design is always good, and this was in the base. Make sure when you get yours, this is just the way it is. And let's plug this in and get started. So I plugged this in for the first time and it's making these pairing sounds. Unfortunately, my phone is never in low battery mode, but today it is in low battery mode. I mean, this is my basement, so let's call it that. It detected it, recognized my voice. All right, let's see how that works. Transfer settings. Center the HomePod in the frame. Okay, I don't know how that is done. Okay, it took it. Well, so far so good. Setting it up. I'm always excited about new Apple devices. I have owned the HomePod, but it was a bit of a dismal experience because I got it back in 2018 and I don't know what to do with it really. However, I think I'm more equipped now, and with AirPlay 2.0 out and yada yada, it's just a bit easier, I guess. And I have a MacBook, I have an iPhone, and I'm obsessed with speakers, so it makes sense in me getting another one of these.
Waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do?
One sec.
I won't bore you with all this. I'll be back.
Still working.
Okay, it took just 10 seconds.
You know we gon' fly, 'cause we be on a clever. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly, 'cause we be on a clever.
So guys, the setup took me less than 3 or 4 minutes, so that's very good. You don't have to keep the Bluetooth on because this works largely on AirPlay, which is more or less a Wi-Fi technology. And if somebody else is listening to music on an iPhone, I guess you can still connect. Let's play a song to check how good the sound is. I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs. It's called Promises, and it's a copyright-free song, so I can play that for you guys. Just bear with me. While I search for it. All right, there you go. Okay, let's see.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep
All right, guys. So my first impression of owning my own my Apple HomePod Mini. My first impression is the sound is not loud, and it's a personal speaker. I think to a room like this, which is kind of a biggish room with a lot of air and ways to go, I think it can be a little small. I love the applicability in the fact that you have a play or pause button. You have a volume up and a volume down. This is so easy to set up. It's a no-brainer, really. And if you have a living room or you have a guest room and you want to have a speaker there, you can do that. I might end up buying one more of these just so that I can have it, playing in cohesion, and we'll be seeing what that feels like. So I will be doing a test of that. In terms of the sound being loud, I think the volume is a 7 on 10, nothing more than that. In terms of the clarity, I think it's right up there with Bose. Is it better? I'm not really sure so far. But one thing I will say in Apple's favor, there is something very unique in Apple and perfected about the sound, which I can tell right now. Of course, I'll be listening to this and doing an in-depth review, but first impression is very good. For 10,000 rupees, it's a little on the pricier side. You can easily get an Amazon Echo for $4,000, the new one, the 4th generation. So I will be doing a comparison between that and this. I will also compare my Bose speakers with this HomePod. So far, I'm impressed. I'm still happy I got this. 10,000 rupees for a speaker, which is small. It's more on the expensive side, I must say, but I'm an enthusiast. So we'll get to the bottom of it. I'm happy that they included a cable. So I have another cable to charge my iPhone now and my other devices. And it's a USB-C cable. That's always a plus. The other speakers, of course, include stuff like, "Hey Siri, what's the time?"
It's 2034.
Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's currently 26 degrees.
Hey Siri, can you set a 10-minute timer, please?
10 minutes, counting down.
Hey Siri, play Kishore Kumar.
Okay, here's Kishore Kumar.
Hey Siri, next. Hey Siri, forward by 30 seconds. Hey Siri, pause. Hey Siri, what's the time outside?
It's 20:35.
Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow?
Should be sunny tomorrow. The high will be 31 degrees, and the low will be 17. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Hey Siri, can you open the Mindset Mentor podcast for me, please?
Playing podcast The Mindset Mentor.
Hey Siri, forward 45 seconds.
And how to get out of it. And that phrase is this: inaction causes more inaction. Action causes more action. What do I mean by that? If you're in a rut, you're never in a rut when you're moving. Like if you ever
Hey,
feel
Siri,
like you're
pause.
stuck in a rut.
Guys, one little thing I forgot to tell you. I have Apple Music, for which I spend 169 rupees a month. If you're gonna get this device, but you're not gonna get Apple Music, I suggest you don't buy it. If you are cool with Apple Music, you should buy this. Apple Music is a good, one of the best world streaming softwares, and it works really well. For example, hey Siri, play some of my favorite music. Hey Siri, play some of my favorite music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
Okay, for some reason my iPhone is doing that. Maybe
It's never when you're moving. It's all.
Oh, it's on the podcast right now. Hey Siri, play some of my favorite music.
Okay, here's favorites mix.
It's always when you're stagnant. And I always use the phrase
Hey Siri,
stagnant on
pause.
purpose because
Okay, that was a bit of a mess up, guys. My bad. But you know that it does everything. I will figure out how to engage one and disengage the other. But so far, I'm very impressed because Siri is great. It is not irritating like Alexa. I'm sorry, but I'm not a big fan of the way Alexa speaks. I like how Siri speaks, and it's precise and it picks up all your Hindi music. So I was saying you must have Apple Music. That way this can work standalone without the need of your iPhone or any other phone. And it can work on a standalone, as a standalone device. That's a major plus, trust me. Hey Siri, what's 40 times 82?
40 times 82 is 3,280.
Hey Siri, how many liters are there in a gallon?
1 gallon is 3.79 liters.
Okay. Hey Siri, what's the price of gas in New York? Okay, I'm getting a bit ahead of myself here. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. Everything works to perfection. Buy it. Stay tuned for more videos such as this one. And if you feel like it, you can subscribe. Otherwise, we're good, man. I'll see you guys when I do. Stay tuned for the comparisons between other speakers and this one. As you can see, I'm kind of excited about this. I'm going to end this video and play all the songs that I cannot play on YouTube because somebody wrote them and there's a copyright about it. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.